Ashenhurst for Farms and Farm Machinery magazine. And this thing here is a Can-Am HD10. It's big, it's fast, it's very comfortable, it's very powerful, it's $23,000. There's a couple of things we'd like to see improved about it though. The downhill braking's it's a little bit sus, we think, and we'd like to see a mechanical handbrake. But this thing has the best side-by-side cab in the business, in the world, in the universe, anywhere. Trust me. It has a big engine, 976cc and 72 horsepower. It has little 12-inch wheels, which is kind of weird. We thought it would hang up, but it didn't. And each of those wheels has a disc brake with braided steel lines. And this Can-Am is fast. Told you. It's a good swimmer. And it has the best cab in the industry. There's storage space everywhere. This centre console drops down to form a drinks tray. The seats are chamfered so getting in and out is easier. Passenger seats retract too to provide genuinely useful storage space in the cab. Your dog will love that. Now look at this neat trick. The steering wheel is adjustable and the shift lever moves smoothly through the gate. That's unusual. A new accelerator angle puts your foot in a more comfortable position. The tray is an easy one-handed lift. The tray itself has indents for partitions, so stuff won't roll around when you're on the move. The engine has a cold side and a hot side, and service points are easy to get at. The suspension handles everything you can throw at it, front and rear. Every suspension pivot point has a grease circ. The turning circle is tight for a big machine like this. It's also quiet. The girls couldn't care less. The single-stage power steering is spot on. The ride is firm, but comfortable, and this side-by-side handles well. There is one thing though. The big V-twin doesn't have much engine braking, and that surprised us. The Defender will go up alright with all that power and traction, why wouldn't it? But if you don't use the brakes coming down, it'll pick up speed quickly. Well, there she goes. Apart from the lack of engine braking, we like this machine. It's fast, comfortable, strong, rough terrain ready, and a stack of factory accessories prep the Defender for any climate, even Melbourne's. Get the full story on the Can-Am Defender at tradefarmmachinery.com.au. Come back as fast as it'll go.